I'm Paul with Appliance Service by Paul in Salt Lake City, Utah, and today we're here to talk about removing oven and range doors. On occasion, it's necessary to move an oven or range door for cleaning, or it makes it easier to move them without bumping into handles. Also reduces the weight of the item that you're moving and installing. Different models and brands have different type of hinges. This particular model has an easy hinge to remove. You simply lower the door, and there's a clip right here which you raise and push against a protrusion. After you lock the clips in, raise the door to this position, lift up and out. Reinstalling the door, hold it in the same condition. Insert the hinge into the slots. Feel it drop in, drops down, move your clips, close the door. My name is Paul with Appliance Service by Paul, and we've just discussed removing oven and range doors.